Welcome to EmployeeConnect. In this video, we will show you how to create an exit survey for your employees in EmployeeConnect. First, navigate to Advanced, and then click Communication, and then click Survey, and finally Survey Builder. This will open up the predefined surveys we have in EmployeeConnect. You have the option of creating a new survey from this form, or you can copy an existing one and edit the questions. So just go ahead and click the copy button to create one from the templates. Survey form will appear. Input your survey name. Select which type this is. Is this a questionnaire or just an assessment? Since this is just an exit survey, then leave it as questionnaire. Accessibility, make sure it's set to true, so this is active. If you set it to false, then we won't be able to use this. If you want this to be available for a specific time frame only, then select a start and end date. If you want this to be available indefinitely, then just leave it a blank. You have the option of selecting which scope where you want this survey to be available from. Now we want it to be available for everyone, then or for all of the modules, then leave that blank. So now click Save. Use the breadcrumb to go back to the survey builder. Look for the copy that you've created, which is this one. Now click on the questions button to see the list of questions for this survey. From here, you'll be able to edit the existing questions or add new ones. So if you wish to edit the existing questions, just click on the edit button. Number would be the arrangement on how this would appear on your form. If you want this to be the first one, then just select the number from this list. Just make sure there aren't any duplicates so that you wouldn't run into any issues with the survey. And then you can put your questions here. What kind do you want this to appear as? Do you want this to be a list box, a radio group, anything from this list? You can select that. And then list option only defines the items that you have there. This is a list. If you want this to appear as only a text area or a text box where they can type in, like a usual survey, then select this option from the list, which is text area. This would be the bigger form that we see, similar to this one, or a text box would be like a normal field, like this one from above. And then just click Save when you're able to edit it and make your changes. Let's go back and try creating a new one. To create a new question, just click on this box here, this plus button. Select which number it appears. So this would be the last from the long list there. You can input a label. And then your question. You want this to appear as a text area, select that, and then save. And go back to the survey builder. We'll now proceed to send this over to one employee for them to be able to answer it. So just click Run Survey. Select which survey from the list. So we'll be sending a notification out to your people. Input a subject. Make sure this is set to true so it will work. Then click on the Participants tab. Select a person to send this over. I'm just trying to look for my test account here, and then click save. Well, if you want to send it to a group of people, not to individual participants, you can do that as well. Just click on the plus button here. You have the option of sending it to different groups. It could be for the entire company. It can be for specific roles or groups in your company. That's up to you. We are now going to log on as the user we've sent the survey to, and we're expecting to see the survey appear on the home screen for him to be able to answer it. Just logging on to a test user. Once logged on, you can see that under the notices where it's here, employee exit template copy. So that user will just click on that link. The form will appear. Questions can be answered from here. Once the answers have been populated, all of them has been answered for you. Just make sure to remember to click save, and this should submit the survey answers. Now, if you want to see that, just log on back onto your profile as the administrator, go back to the survey builder, and we should be able to see the results from there. We'll do that in a minute. So there, form has been saved, answer should be sent over. Let's log on back as the administrator. I've now logged in as the administrator, and I'm trying to review the results of the survey sent over by the employee. To do that, just go back to advanced and then click communication and then survey from this side menu, then click survey interface. From here, you'll see the entire list of surveys we have available on your kiosk. You can do a filter if you know the name of your survey, but we know that this is the survey that we've sent out. To be able to see the details and the data that was sent from the candidates, you'll just have to click this data button here on the left. This will bring up a new screen. From there, you'll see the participants who've answered the survey. If you want to see the actual data, you can click on View, this button from the left, and that will bring up the form that they've answered. Although you see the answers from the previous list as well, but this one is a better view. And that's how easy it is to make the survey in EmployeeConnect.